Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Sign with Foluke. If you're just new on this channel, you're highly welcome. This is a place where learning sign language is made easy and inclusive. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more learning videos. Let's get started. So today we are going to learn the alphabet in sign language, that is letter A to Z. Let's go. Letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now let's sign faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, everyone. This is Sign with Foluke. Keep learning, keep signing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.